Hello, today we're going to show you how to use the manual injector for the HPLC system from ACOM. Please ensure that you are using the proper syringe supplied with the system with a blunt tip. Use of the incorrect needle size or type will actually damage the injector. We'll be doing a partial loop filling for this method. Please ensure that no more than half the loop volume of the sample loop back here is injected into the system. When you're ready to do the injection, with the injector in the inject position, place the needle into the needle port. You will feel a tightness, the soft resistance during the last 2 to 3 millimeters of travel as the needle passes through the needle seal, and then push it a little bit further until you feel a hard resistance. That's the needle against the stator face. Turn the injector to the load position and then press down on the plunger, which will actually fill up the sample loop. With the needle still in the injector, change it to the inject position, which will actually load the sample. Then you can remove the needle. Most injectors have a contact switch which will automatically start the run. If you don't have a contact switch with your injector, you'll want to manually start the run simultaneously on the software. Be sure to clean the needle port between runs with about 1 milliliter of mobile phase. This will eliminate any kind of contamination from the last sample. When you're done, make sure to flush the system with DI water. Any flow here will go out one of the exhaust tubes. Thanks for watching. I hope you found this informative.